Right, back we go. It is February 28th, doing a lot of videos, checking out some of these stocks. See where they're going from here, where they've been, what could happen. Let's do it. AIKI. 34 million float. Really not much insider institutional ownership. 100 million market cap. Um, they did have COVID news, the February 22nd. Biopharma developing small molecule anti-cancer therapies or in the COVID space. Looking at this, said the big run up. Look at this February, March. This went to 550. Big up and down moves. Went to 250 on that April candle. Came way back down. Couldn't hold. One. Then a lot of stocks, they bottomed like a quarter, 50 cents. You've seen that a lot in these stocks. And then they took off. Small caps are on fire. And then up we go. Big move up. See, this puts in very colored candles. It doesn't hold. Come back to two. Didn't hold. But it did make it all the way to 250. So this was not a straight line, but a great move up to 250. There's your marker right now. The 250 again. See this? That's why lines are important. Came all the way back down, gap down again. This is really getting hybrid now, oversold. It's at 1194 stochastics, extremely oversold. Trying to hold this 119. You have that wick right here, 107. And of course, right now the one line is very important. That's a very important line in penny stock land. Has to hold one. If you don't hold one, you're going to 75.50 cents, then back to the bottom. So we're going to see if we get a bounce here. This goes up from here, bounces at one, we go up, and then we try to work our way back up here. So this is a big retracement we're at now on AKI, or AIKI, excuse me, which I still like longer term. If you're swinging this COVID news, I like this. Just a matter of where you're getting in and what's going to happen with that. We'll see the next few days. All right, this is a 109 million float, 2.46 billion market cap. What did they do? The design, sale, integrate circuit systems, Bitcoin mining, China. Yep, primarily in China. So this is a Bitcoin move. Look at this big move at 6, bottomed out. Look at this June, July, September, November, bounced all the way to 6. Then here's the low. See this? You see this a lot. Bounce up, low get higher. Bounce up, low get higher. Look at these lines right here, get higher. Then it's took off to 24 plus. This is incredible long. And now we're pulling back. We're caught in between this 1320 EMA, this gap here. This 14 doesn't hold. You're going, down to 12. We'll see each level. It's coming back really strong here. You're seeing if you're going to get a turn up though, right at that 50 stochastics level. So that's a big move there. 14 is that big level here. This doesn't hold. You just go down line to line, see what happens. And then you got to retrace and try to get back to that 25 level. So we'll see what happens on this. Institutional ownership 11%. On CAN, which is on a big run. GTE. $359 million float, 39% institutional ownership, 327 million market cap. What do they do? Exploration, production, oil and gas properties, Colombia, Ecuador. All right, this is a big move down. This is a big channel, gap down, went to 60 cents, and he found another low. Look at 20 cents. Can you imagine buying these at 20 cents, loading up? Just say you're a millionaire or something. You have like, I put 10, 20,000 down. Let's see what would happen if you put like 10 grand. Wish I had that money. 50,000 shares, and then you get a dollar. Moved up a dollar, 20 cents to a dollar, 20, made 50 grand. 50 grand in about a few months. Jesus. All right, so this went to 20. So to step, 35, 50, 70, all the way to 120. Now we're pulling back. Again, look at that. See these wicks? This is trying to hold this 80 level. Likes this 80 cents. We'll see if that holds. Stochastics sort of sideways. This could fall back to 70. 60 is a big line here because look what happened back here. 60 or 70, you could say. Watch for them lines. and then we'll see what happens here. We'll see in this zone here if we get a bounce. All these could bounce tomorrow, but I'm not sure if they bounce tomorrow. That's it. Oh, we're off to the races. That's it. We'll see what happens in that. We could fall back or dead cat bounce and come back further. We'll see how the market reacts. Could be a dead cat bounce. Morning could really go up strong. Then we fade. We're up 255 the Dow Jones, 158 Nasdaq, 37 S&P. VIX ain't falling a lot though. It's down 25.85. All right, so we'll see what happens with that. All right, so AIKI, like longer term, can too actually longer term. GTE, we'll see what happens in this zone here. All right, please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades. Smash the like button, leave comments. Twitter, Mike J Trades. Instagram, Mike Frank98. Stock Twits, Mike Cayman Trades. Please subscribe and like. Peace.